Welcome to Ivan Open Source Cloud, your gateway to a world of open web services.
Hello and welcome to another video where we're exploring what you can do with Claude, MCP, natural language, open web services in open source cloud to solve use cases or problems you have. We have in previous episodes shown you how to configure Claude with open source cloud. And we have created a storage bucket, uploaded a file to it. We also transcoded it into video formats for streaming. And today we're going to generate English subtitles for this file. And the look here is a little bit different now. I'm set up a project in Claude, which means I could give them some instructions. The only instruction I've added was that it's always consult the OSC architect if it's unsure, so I don't have to prompt that every time. So let's start by can you create English subtitles in a VTT format for the file win.mp4 on bucket called input and Minio instance called birme. If you need to make sure that the subtitler has access or has correct access to the Minio instance. See how this goes. Great, I can see win.mp4 file is in your input bucket. Now I need to set up a subtitle generation service. For this I'll create an instance of the Ivan Auto Subtitle service, which can generate VTT subtitles from video files. However, I need an Open AI API key to create a subtitle generator instance. Let me consult the OSC architect for the best approach. Perfect. Based on the OSC architect's guidance, I need to create an auto subtitle service instance that can access your Minio instance. However, I'll need an OpenAI API key for the subtitle generation service. Let me create a service. You need to provide OpenAI API key. Okay, well that's missing. So let's yes. Help me, you can use the secret called OpenAI key for the OpenAI API key. If unsure, I shouldn't have to tell him to ask the OSC architect if he's unsure how to handle secrets. Okay, first delete the instance is created. And now it seems like he missed the credentials for the Minio service. Okay, still misses that. Figure that out. It's missing the Minio credentials. It's really amazing how Claude is consulting the OSC architect, which in itself is an AI assistant used on OpenAI. You're right, I need to recreate the service with the proper AWS credentials for Minio access. You can get the credentials by looking at the menu instance configuration in this case. Normally I would have stored those in a secret that you could use, but for this demo purpose I've skipped that part. So logically I would have stored these credentials in secrets such as with a OpenAI key, but he doesn't seem to be able to do that for me. So, all right. Now it's up and running. Let me try to transcribe. Let's try again. Trying to figure things out himself, which is really interesting to see. Excellent, the subtitle generation process has started successfully. The service returned a worker ID, which means it's now processing your vn.mp4 file. It examines the log to monitor the progress. Great, I can see the significant progress in the logs. The service is now successfully generated. Blah, blah, blah. Mission accomplished. The subtitle file has been generated. Is now available at vn.en.sub. Alright, amazing. So let us look at this file. Where did it put it? Output. vn.en subtitles. And here it is. That's really cool. So it's managed to figure out how it should create subtitles for me using the web services based on open source and open source cloud. And yeah, with natural language, I just given some instruction, and then it a little bit trial and error this time. I didn't get it right the first time, but finally got it right. And that's interesting because I didn't provide so much more information that it has the OSC architect at hand, which has some documentation, RAG and stuff like that. But no specific schema and these things. So yeah, I guess it's only imagination on what you can do next. Until next time, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you want to get a notification on when we publish a new video in this area. And I'll see you back then. Have a nice evening.
Imagine a cloud service where every component is built on open source software. With iVin Open Source Cloud, you can explore and evaluate top-notch web services without the need to manage your own hosting environment. Our platform offers you the freedom to choose. Use the services in the cloud today, and if you ever decide to bring them in-house, you're free to do so. There's no vendor lock-in, just pure open innovation at your fingertips. From storage and databases to media services, development tools, testing frameworks, and even a Minecraft server, our catalog is as diverse as it is dynamic. New open web services are continuously added every week, keeping you at the forefront of technology. Join us on this journey and experience the power of open source like never before with iVin Open Source Cloud.